So this was the custom chime that now we have on the Tesla Model Y. So I'm gonna show you guys how it works. So let's just get in the car. So as you know that the new update came out and it now gives you the option. Let me go to the release notes and show you guys what's going on. So with the last update, we got the custom lock sounds right here. And what I have done is I'll walk you through the process, how it is done. So we go to the toy box right here and you can see that we have the lock sound and it's playing through the USB. You can also do the different ones that are already there with the Tesla. You have the old school horn, you have the applause and all of those things there. But right now I have selected USB. So I have a sound there that I'm playing. So I'm gonna leave it to the USB and how you do it. So make sure that glove box. This is the one right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. This USB right here. The file is saved inside here. You can't just plug in the USB here in the center console. It has to be one where you record your videos. So I'm gonna just take it out and take you guys to my computer where I'm gonna show you how it is done. So let's just go in there and see how it works. Okay, so this is the USB that I just took out from the Tesla Model Y, and this is the one that you record all your dash cam videos and all that. So I'm gonna be plugging it into the PC here, and we're gonna see what do we have there. So once we plug it in, I have already deleted the files that are there, and I'll show you what I'm gonna do from the beginning. So let's say you got the USB out of your car and you plug it into the computer. I'm gonna move it to this side, and then let's go to the Google Chrome here, and we're gonna download Windows Shutdown Wave. So what is Wave? It is actually an audio file format that you're gonna be needing to put this in the USB. If you put MP3, it's not gonna work. So I'm gonna go to this one, Shutdown Sounds. And you can see right here that it has the play button. And as soon as I'm gonna click on play, it's gonna download and it's in the WAV file. So we're gonna just click on this and it's already downloaded, but I'm gonna override this and it's gonna start downloading pretty quick. So I'm gonna go in the folder where it is downloaded. Right here you can see. So I'm gonna copy this file and move it here in the Tesla USB that we just took out from the Tesla Model Y. So I'm gonna paste it right here. So one thing you wanna make sure that it is less than 1 megabyte. So it is 275 kilobyte, which is really small size, is 1/4 of a file size. You can go up to 1 megabyte maximum, that's 1000 kilobyte. Now we're gonna rename this file. So this is right here, the rename is. So I'm gonna rename it as lock chime dot WAV. I think I have double C there, so I'm gonna remove that. Lockchime.wave. So that's going to be the file. You can only save one at a time. And now it is saved. I'm gonna just go here and securely remove this USB. Always do that. Eject flash drive. And now we're gonna take this USB and plug into the Tesla Model Y and see if it does play the track or not for us when we lock the car. So let's go and do it. Okay, one thing I want to mention before we plug the USB back into the Tesla, that if you have an audio file that is MP3, you can also convert that into WAV file. So just search for on the Google, the MP3 to WAV, and you will have the converter links like this. So you just click on it, you select your file from your computer, upload it, and you will be getting the WAV file. This is just for those people who have a specific audios in the MP3, you can convert them into WAV, because on Tesla, it will only accept the file that is saved in the WAV format. So that's the quick tidbit that I want to give you guys. And now let's go back to the Tesla. Okay, I'm here in my Tesla now, and I'm gonna be plugging back in this USB. So USB will go back to the glove box. So for that, I'll need to go here in the menu and open the glove box from right here. And we're gonna plug in the USB where it belongs, right here. You can see. Okay, once the USB is plugged back in, now what you're gonna do is you're gonna go back to the toy box. And in the toy box, you're gonna go into the boom box. That's the first one. So go to the boom box and see how I have selected the applause. I'm gonna go back to USB because that is where we have the file saved. So we're gonna click on this. It played that, the Windows shut down. And now if I go back and lock my car, it is gonna be playing that sound for me for Windows shutdown. You can replace with any sound that you would like, which is pretty cool and amazing. I mean, you can do a lot of like funny things with it. And when you're parking it in the mall next to people who are parked, I mean, I don't know what else could be. I want to try Darth Vader breathing, but this is the one I have saved. You can only do one at a time. Let me close my garage so you can hear it clearly. So this is pretty cool. It's pretty fun. And let me know in the comment section which sound you guys are trying and any ideas for the next video. Really appreciate that. So that's all I have from this one, guys. Take care. Have a good one. We'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.